Today's video is in partnership with airspotters.com, one of the leading websites for aircraft model collectors, whether it's aircraft models or aviation toys, stocking everything from Gemini jets, MG models, Skymarks, Aero Classics and more. Check them out, the link is in the description below.
With the 315th Airlift Wing, and this is a C-17 Globemaster lll, and we're at the Yeovilton Air Day. Hi guys, welcome to the C-17 Globemaster lll. Show you inside a little bit where we have a big crowd waiting. If you guys want to come down here, I'll kind of show you what we've got going on right now. We just flew from the States. We're from Charleston, South Carolina. We're having a really good time here. We had a long flight over. We actually flew from South Carolina to Arizona, and then to Canada, and then to the UK. So we had to bring some stuff over. We weren't able to fly the low levels like we did last year, but we've got a great air crew, a great crew. Everybody's starting to come on board, so if you guys want to come upstairs, we better do that quick.
Go do that fast.
So this is the C-17 Globemaster lll. This is the flight deck. We've got some of our pilots here. You guys just having a good time showing the public what we do. The C-17 fully loaded is about 585,000 pounds. We can carry 170,000 pounds of cargo. It's a great aircraft, and we do some amazing things. So it flies like a fighter. It's got a stick, has a full heads-up display. It's a great aircraft. So welcome to the C-17.
Today's video is in partnership with airspotters.com, one of the leading websites for aircraft model collectors, whether it's aircraft models or aviation toys, stocking everything from Gemini jets, MG models, Skymarks, Aero Classics and more. Check them out, the link is in the description below.